Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always making time to come and be with me. Sorry guys, I've not had enough sleep and we're already on the road trip. Woo! So I'm going to Tanzania. That just sounds so exciting to even say it. I'm so happy and excited for this trip. It's just been something I've wanted to do for a long time, and the opportunity presented itself, and I was like, you know what, let's go to Tanzania. So we are en route to Moshi, and I am excited, guys, to bring you along. It is so cold, I'm shaking, and I love my new hairstyle. Do you like it? Let me know. Drop a comment, drop a comment, drop a comment, drop a comment. Do you like it? Do you like it? I love it. It's just easy for me to, be able to do stuff in this hairstyle, and I love it. Yeah. So come with us, guys. This trip is for 2 days. I hope I'm gonna, adhere to that, because I already feel like I want to extend and make it longer, but we'll see, depending on how things go. We'll decide if it's 2 days or we're extending. Yeah, so come with me, guys, and let's explore Tanzania. Woohoo!
Should know better, 'cause you always do this to me. But you start to play later this believe, but I don't bet. And I promise myself it will never happen again. But oh, here I stand.
So guys, we are at Tarakea. That's the Kenya-Tanzania border, and we had to go through some process so that we are cleared to proceed to Tanzania. The first thing they had to do was give me a yellow fever vaccine, because I don't have a vaccine, or I'm not vaccinated against yellow fever, so I had to get that vaccine. It has costed me 1,500 Kenya shillings, or 30,000 Tanzanian shillings. Then from there I had to go have my passport and the vaccine certificate checked. So they're checking yellow fever certificate, COVID certificate. If you don't have a COVID certificate, then you must have a PCR test, showing that you're negative from COVID. So checked the passport, checked yellow fever certificate, and then checked COVID certificate. So after that, I had my passport stamped that I've exited Kenya, or I've left Kenya. So then from there I moved to the next office, the Tanzanian office, where you're stamped for entry, and that process has taken me roughly, I would say, 2 hours. So you need to prepare for that. So the other thing to note is if you're Kenyan, you don't need a visa to enter Tanzania. So with my East African passport, I was able to just have the stamp without a visa, so that's an advantage. I'm not sure about the other countries. I probably know maybe you need a visa for the other countries, but as an East African, you don't need a visa to come to Tanzania, so that makes the whole process much easier.
Really got me, really got me, really got me. Really got me, really got me, really got me, really got me.
I have not changed my currency yet. We are going to be connected by someone who can give us better rates for the exchange, so that's what I'm going to see now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, we finished exchanging our currency from the Kenyan currency to the Tanzanian currency, and we got a rate of 18 shillings. So 1 Kenyan shilling is equals to 18 Tanzanian shillings. So you can do the math, yeah? So I think it's advisable to just change the amount that you're gonna spend, so you're not left with so much currency, Tanzanian currency, that you're not gonna use anytime soon. So now I'm clear to proceed to Tanzania. So let's proceed, guys. Moshi, here we come. Tanzania, here we come. Arusha, here we come. guys. So I took a nap. And I've just woken up, and we are going for a walk to see some waterfall. It's on our way, so we took a stopover to go and see that waterfall, and then we'll proceed. Don't mind me, this is my necklace and this is my camera. Nature is just amazing. Look at that. Look at my view. There's the waterfall, and the water is falling from Mount Kilimanjaro. So fresh water, very fresh. It's nicely cold, very nicely cold, and everybody's just having fun, enjoying. Yeah. Are you enjoying yourself? Me too. It's beautiful. Cheers. Wow. Guys, so we're done with the waterfall. It was just on our way as we're heading to Moshi. So that was just a by the way, a stopover by the way. And now we're going back to our truck to proceed to Moshi. But I'm still trying to wrap my head around how the currency here in Tanzania works. So a water bottle 500 ml is 2,000. It's 2,000 Tanzanian shillings, of course. That's like 50 Kenya shillings. But then I'm still not able to wrap my head around that. Bread is 1,000. You know, I'm like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's gonna take some time to adjust to that whole currency, thing and saga, but it is what it is, So let's go back to our truck and we proceed to Moshi. So I had to use the bathroom and I've been left. And now I can't remember how I came. Am I lost? Deep. I can't remember how I came. Okay, let's try this side. Everybody is gone. Everybody is gone. We are going back to we're going back to our I can see people. Okay, I can see people. I was scared for a minute. I'm like, where's everybody? And then it's so quiet. Listen to how quiet it is. You can only hear the birds. It's so quiet. So let's walk. Now that it's quiet, we can actually have a conversation, guys. My trip was sort of like a last minute thing, I've always been wanting to go to Tanzania and never really had the perfect opportunity, especially because traveling with the baby would have been so difficult, and so I had to see how he's going to be taken care of while I'm away, and that took some time, but I eventually managed to handle that. So my trip was kind of like a last minute thing, but I'm actually glad I decided to come, because this is actually even a break, you know, for me, because I think I've been indoors for some time, and this was something that I needed, just a break, you know, for sanity purposes. So I traveled with a group. I'm just gonna link the description down below. Sorry, there's a dog, it just startled me. So I'm just gonna link the description, the details on the description box, the guys that I traveled with, so that you can check them out. They're the ones who organized this trip for us, and it's a 2 days trip, 1 night. The costings also were not so bad. We paid 8,500 for half board for the 2 days, yeah. So I thought that was pretty fair. So you can give it a try if you've always wanted to visit Tanzania. To be really honest, I feel like this trip, 2 days is not enough. I feel like Tanzania is such a big country. Just give me a sec, guys. Marhaba. Hello. Huh? Ni video? Just salimie. Say hi.
Hi.
Waitwa nani? Waitwa nani?
Jiara Nyaki.
Jiara. Na wale wenzako?
Iko Nemes.
Johnson?
And
Michael.
yes.
Nice. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi. Hi. Bye. So they're getting excited. This is so nice. Hi.
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 All the way from Kenya.
All the way from Kenya. Wajakoya, yes. Yes. Ah, good.
After that,
Yes. And it's so amazing. So if you're familiar with Kenya, you know that we are actually planning for our election, the general election in August. And so there's this new blood, new candidate who is just giving Kenyans sleepless nights, you know. And everybody's just talking about him, I included. And to be really honest, I feel like his ideas are out of the box, and I think that's what makes everybody so excited about him. So it's one thing to have people talking about you on social media, but it's another thing to have people actually vote for you. So, you know, I don't know. Yeah, so anyway, guys, so like I was saying, I feel like Tanzania is such a huge country, and so just 2 days is not fair. And it's not enough. I feel like you can do so much in Tanzania, and 2 days is not enough for you to do all that. I'm looking for a group. I want to see if there's another group that I can join to at least add some 2 or 3 more days. So let's cross our fingers. If I do, the better, because then I'll give you more content. If I don't get, then we'll just have to work with the 2 days. Guys, samosa 500 Tanzanian cash. Tanzanian shillings. So me, I have 5,000. This 5,000. So kwa hivyo you give me how much? 4?
unataka kula ngapi?
Nataka moja nile kwanza nisikie utamwacha.
4,500.
So she'll give me 4,500 back as change. This samosa here is 500. It's not bad. Umesikiaje samosa za 500?
500. Kama kweli 500. Hapa nina 5,000.
500.
Ile 5,000 hiyo, 5,000. 1 2 3 4 5,000.
You're 5,000.
Tanzania lakini.
And the people here are finding it so funny, you know, that we are laughing at 5,000, 500, you know. But it just takes time to adjust to the currency changes. But it's all good, it's all good. Here is my samosa worth 500 Tanzanian shillings.
Really got me, really got me.